Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. Let's begin with opening the settings, and of course in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings to find the system. Let's simply tap on this option and enter developer options, which we've just activated. So let's tap on them, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to localize this option, automatic system updates. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.